Meaning of dynamism.
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 Dynamism. Dynamism refers to the quality of being dynamic, which means characterized by constant change, activity, and progress. A person or organization that displays dynamism is energetic, proactive, and adaptable. Dynamism can be seen as a positive trait that allows individuals or systems to thrive in a rapidly changing environment. However, too much dynamism can lead to instability and unpredictability. Overall, dynamism is a crucial aspect of success in many fields, as it enables individuals and organizations to stay ahead of the curve and maintain relevance in a constantly evolving world.